There are three common symptoms that constitute what's called the mesothelioma triad: pain, coughing, and shortness of breath. Pain is often described as dull or pressure-like, but it may be heavy or achy. The pain may be localized or diffuse around the chest wall, upper stomach, shoulder, and arm, or even the back or flank. Pain typically worsens with breathing or coughing. Shortness of breath usually is noticed first with exertion, but later can occur even at rest. Typically, it is caused by the buildup of fluid in the chest cavity, known as pleural effusion. But in addition, shortness of breath worsens over time as the pleura thickens, and the chest wall gets smaller and stiffer, and the lungs get compressed. Compression of the lung by fluid and tumor also causes coughing, which is the body's natural way of attempting to get the lung to expand again. One or more of these three mesothelioma triad symptoms will be present in over 90% of patients with mesothelioma. For any questions or if you desire more information, please contact me, Lin Hua Feng, at lien@phlbi.org or 310-478-4678.